What's going on, everybody? It is Dark Boy Films here again, DBF. Thank you for coming back to the channel. As always, please like and subscribe down below. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 280Z and what I have done so far. Lately I just bought the Evil Energy exhaust and I got the 2-inch going with 3-inch outlet, and I just got it installed onto the car. So I want to show you guys exactly how it sounds, but first I just want to talk about why I got the exhaust and what happened. Before I was having some trouble with the car stalling, and I wasn't sure if maybe I was getting some back pressure problems. So I took off the catalytic converter and just reattached the exhaust back together. It has 2 bolts. You basically just screw it on together. And then as well as I rented a saw from Lowe's and just chopped off the muffler on the back, just because it was old, rusted, and had some holes in it. So I wanted to get it off the car. Long story short, it sounded like a tractor, and I just did not like the sound. It sounds a lot better. It almost sounds just like how it sounded before, but you hear it for yourself. Tell me what you think. Like always, guys, thanks again for watching my video. Like I said, like and subscribe, share it with your friends, family, whoever you want to share it to, or if you just want to watch it over and over again yourself. But like I said, this is the Evil Energy exhaust. So far, I like it. I think it's great. It was a budget. I think it cost me less than $40 to get. So if you're looking to get a cheap exhaust on your car, go to Amazon. I wouldn't be afraid to go get that exhaust. I'm not really looking for huge performance gains on it. I guess in the future I will once I do a little bit more work to the car, but I just wanted something that looked better as well as sounded good, and I got both of those things. So don't be afraid to go get that exhaust thinking it's cheap. Definitely when I got quoted for one of my exhausts, it was like 60 bucks just to get it quoted, and then to get it on and everything was like $400. So this was a much cheaper route, but I'm glad I did it, so don't be afraid to do it yourself.